What's up everyone? So today we will talk about how we can easily get access the all 18,000 piece of Megascan asset file. So in this quick tutorial we'll see how we can easily add it like this. You can see. So first, while you creating Quixel Megascan account, make sure you have choiced two options, like first one is unlimited access and second one is trial access. So you must choose the Megascan unlimited access, so there you can easily add it 18,000 easily. And the second option, you need to go for one script file. So here we can easily paste. So we have this link over there. You can see it's a script file, and there you need to first go to this collection from the link over there. You can see I have already added, so I'm not gonna do that again, but I can show you that how you can achieve that. So now you have to go for the run.js and press the raw option over there, and simply Control A, hold from the keyboard and copy, Control C, and simply open the Quixel Megascan. So make sure you are using latest version of the Chrome, because it will only work on the Chrome only. If you don't have Chrome, it will not work. Now three dot, then more tools, then press developer tools, and here you need to paste this code. Simply paste it and hit enter. While you press this hit enter, it will first giving you the total numbers of pages. Need to copy it from where it will paste. Now it will say okay and start adding to your account. It will just popping up like that because I have already added. So that's how you can easily add it, this all thing, to the Quixel account purchased. You have to do that right now, because from 2025 you cannot access Quixel Megascan Premium. So thanks for watching, hope you like this. Thank you.